Hello and welcome to our review video on two popular air fryers. Today, we'll be comparing the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven. Both of these products have their pros and cons, and we're here to help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. The Secura Air Fryer XL is priced at $70, while the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven is priced at $159. If you're on a budget, the Secura Air Fryer XL may be the better choice for you. However, if you're looking for more features and functions, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven may be worth the investment. The Secura Air Fryer XL has a basket capacity of 5.3 quarts, which is one of the largest fryers on the market. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven has a capacity of 6 quarts, making it slightly larger than the Secura. If you're cooking for a larger family or meal prep, the Instant Vortex Plus may be the better option. The Secura Air Fryer XL has all-in-one convenience cooking, including frying, roasting, baking, reheating, and grilling. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven has 6-in-1 functionality with air frying, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, baking, and reheating. If you're looking for more functionality and versatility, the Instant Vortex Plus may be the better option. The Secura Air Fryer XL uses convection technology to rapidly circulate heated air for fast and even frying with little to no oil. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven uses Even Crisp technology, which drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. If you're looking for advanced technology, the Instant Vortex Plus may be the better option. The Secura Air Fryer XL has user-friendly, easy-to-read, adjustable controls and bonus accessories for additional versatility. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven has one-touch smart programs and a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. If you want easy cleanup, the Instant Vortex Plus may be the better option. That concludes our comparison between the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven. We hope this video has been helpful in deciding which one is right for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews in the future. Thank you for watching.